For those that are curious what all I've got built down here, this is the boxes that I was showing earlier, and we officially have our beehive. Important thing to note with bees, as long as you leave them alone, they'll leave you alone. You have zero desire to bother you, attack you, sting you, or anything. And over here, got mosquito eater fish, we've got goldfish, and then a bunch of pollywogs. Yeah. Brought the hive in Saturday. I don't know if the buzz is coming across, but yeah, they look to be inactive right now towards the end of the day. But yeah, for anybody who's been curious what I've been doing, are you gonna move? This is what I've been working on.